Introducing the all-new PowerX 1-ton PX10 L Micro Excavator, equipped with auxiliary hydraulics and powered by a 13.5 HP Briggs & Stratton engine. The PX10 includes a mechanical thumb that has a 13-inch digging bucket. Its compact size makes it ideal for tough jobs in tight spaces. At only 30 inches wide, the PX10 was specifically designed to drive through the door of a home or an office to accommodate the removal of concrete and other materials while repairing sewer or water lines. When the job is done, our micro excavator easily transports home on a standard size ATV or lawnmower trailer. Our line of PowerX compact equipment is a great addition to any home or business. Visit our website for more informative videos and see all the attachments available for our micro excavator. You can also check out our full line of compact equipment while you're there.